Boat accidents, common causes and legal implications. Boat accidents can happen for a variety of reasons, and they can have serious legal implications. Some common causes of boat accidents include operator error, equipment failure, excessive speed, and dangerous weather conditions. If a boat accident occurs, the legal implications can be significant. Boat operators and owners may be held liable for injuries or damages resulting from the accident. In some cases, criminal charges may be filed against the operator if alcohol or drug use was involved. Boat accidents can result in a range of injuries, from minor cuts and bruises to more serious injuries such as broken bones, head trauma, and drowning. In some cases, boat accidents can even result in wrongful death. If you have been injured in a boat accident, it is important to speak with an experienced boat accident lawyer who can help you understand your legal rights and pursue compensation for your injuries. A knowledgeable lawyer can help you gather evidence, work with expert witnesses, and negotiate with insurance companies to help you achieve the best possible outcome for your case. For more information and a free bike and pedestrian accident consultation, please call 281-643-2000 or visit us online at www.injurylawyerhouston.com.